I'm a highway dreamer riding free. Open road is calling, calling me. Gonna leave this town, leave it all behind. Chasing my dreams, time to unwind. Got the wind in my hair, my troubles fade away. Engines roaring, heart alive, I'm here to stay. Nothing can stop me, nothing can hold me down. I'm a road warrior, gonna paint this town. Highway dreamers, we're born to be free, living our lives on this endless spree. Every mile a story waiting to unfold. Hit the road, let your spirit be sold. Feel the wind slap my face, motor rolls alive. Twisting asphalt snake through forest up the mountainside. Something rolled beneath my wheels. Feel the rush, can't describe what's real. Push hard, grip tight, freedom in the night. Trees put a green haze, sky opens wide. Gravel bites at the edge, no brakes, let the beast decide. Something rolled beneath my wheels. Feel the rush, can't describe what's real. Push hard, grip tight, freedom in the night. Good night. Trees blur a green haze, sky opens wide. Gravel bites at the edge, no brakes, let the beast decide. Something rolled beneath my wheels. Feel the rush, can't describe what's real. Push hard, grip tight, freedom in the night. The night, danger in the dark. Live on edge, one mistake, it's over. But nothing else compares. Ooh. Ooh. Wind howls in my ears, roaring engine loud. Lost in the wild now, ride forever proud. And the night,